Hi, NWR dropped their newest collection called Athletics Club about 2 days ago, and they were kind enough to send us a couple things. So let's get into it. Pretty big bag. First one. Pretty cool stuff, look at that. Alright, so the first one looks like a shirt. So there you can see, there's the packaging. Looks like the collar is about an inch longer, longer than an inch. Thick collar. There's the NWR. And this is their sizing label. And there it is. It's really bright, so you probably can't see it. Pretty simple tee. It's nicely printed. NWR Athletics Club. This is a size large. So this is the NWR Athletics t-shirt in heather gray. And for an oversized fit, I got a size large. So let's try this on. Alright, so as you can see, definitely oversized for sure. So I'm 5'9", about 145 pounds, and this is a size large. As you can see, it goes past my elbows. Here's the print. So this is 100% cotton. Heavyweight fabric for that oversized boxy fit. It's got drop shoulders, so the sleeves start about right here. There we go. The butt goes down here. What I really love about this is that the collar, it's pretty tight to my neck. It's not like showing my collarbone really stretched out, so like it. Feels nice. Heather gray color is a classic color. Solid. So this is the NWR Athletics t-shirt, oversized fit in heather gray. Next one up. This is the NWR Athletics hoodie in white heather. So the print is similar to the shirt, and this is also supposed to be an oversized hoodie. As you can see, again, there's the tag. There's no drawstrings on the hoodie, which is pretty dope. 80% cotton, 20% recycled polyester, anti-pill fleece. Let's try this on. Hi. Hoodie's a good size, like perfectly fits my head. All right. Boom! Oh, that's not it. So, this is a size large. It's got that boxy, relaxed fit. The cuffs, it's not too tight. That's how it fits. It's got a pullover hoodie, just like the shirt, a drop shoulder. So again, my shoulder's up here, sleeves start here, kangaroo pocket. No draw cord up here. Fits really nice. Really, definitely relaxed fit. Definitely relaxed and oversized fit. Exactly what I'm in the market for. So, fits well, and the quality is it's up there, guys. This is the NWR Athletics hoodie, white heather. So before they sent it over, they asked what kind of fit I wanted, and I'm more into that oversized boxy fit. And so like they say here, we recommend keeping your regular size as these come boxier and oversized. But if you want a more drop shoulder fit, then it is recommended to size 1 up. Model is 6'4", wearing an XL. So I'm definitely not 6'4", but I'm wearing a large, and I'm 5'9". But it fits great. I love it. And then the NWR Athletics t-shirt in heather gray. And just like the sweater, the shirt goes the same way. They're all oversized, boxier fits, but if you want it more, size up. All right, guys, well, there you have it. NWR Athletics Club. Well done, guys. It's freaking awesome. Make sure to pick up your pieces from NWR before they're sold out. I know they're working on another collection coming out later this year, so don't miss that drop. Make sure to follow them on Instagram to stay up to date on their newest drop, and don't forget to pick up your piece from the Athletics Club before they sell out. Thanks for watching, and if you're a fan of oversized graphic tees, I just did a video on Civil Regime's newest drop, Rose from the Storm. The video link will be in the description and at the end of this video, so check that out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.